Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. Guys, so what I want to say today is that we had a first part of this video. It went totally bad, okay? Totally bad. I thought there was some issue and I've got certain experience, like too many years working with them. Sometimes it's something like that you turning on stuff and you need to make a hard reset, yes? So for those, I won't delete that previous video. If you watch that part 1, that's good, because those people who don't work with laptops don't know it. Sometimes laptop requires hard reset. I've checked voltages again and we're fine. It's just this power supply here works in a bit different way. I mean on the main board, yes, that I thought that it's working. So that's why I switched it off. I went into repair of PlayStation 4. I finished that one. And I came back to this laptop now and it's working. Touchpad is not working. I've switched it off. I've disabled it. I've took out the NVMe drive just because I don't want to load operating system. No point. NVMe is here. Yes. Oh, let's switch to the DSLR. Yes. So I've got an NVMe here. I can put it back, switch it off, and I can order the touchscreen, which I've seen on AliExpress. It's about 30 each pounds plus shipping plus tax. Yes, so 40 odd quid will be, or about that. So what it is, you know, here is slightly cracked, but it's a digitizer. I don't see any issues with the screen, so I'm happy about the screen. Let's try to switch it off. And there's nothing wrong, fortunately, for this laptop. Yes, I don't know if you will be able. Oh, now you can see probably at the top where the camera is. And here, you see? Oh, here. Here you can see, but you couldn't see it when it's on, yes? So that's a good thing. So I don't see any harm of that. Now when we will insert NVMe, okay, because the touchscreen is disabled. So now when we will add NVMe, like that, we should be able to get. Okay, it's here. Sorry, I couldn't locate the screw of NVMe drive. That's fine. That could go actually straight to the bin, but let us do this job first. Okay, now this is a pathetic system. I don't like these laptops, tablet laptops. I just don't like them. But unfortunately, people buying them, and because people buying them, manufacturers want to manufacture them, yes. So because manufacturers want to manufacture them, and guess what, then we've got issues with them more than we should. Now you see, I've pressed this button and it didn't turn on, yes. Now it turned on, so that's why it was an issue. But let me go to the system. And I don't want to show you, I don't want to show you how it is. Okay, now you don't see it. I don't want to blur it, that's why. And I don't want you to see, account from the customer. But it is loading right now. As you can see that it is loading. It's Asus in search of incredible. And Windows is loading up. And I want to see Windows. Okay, so now you can see it. Yes, Windows is loading up. Touchscreen doesn't work. Yes, touchscreen doesn't work, but touchpad works. So that's fine, that's brilliant. Now when I will escape it, and when I will put, yeah, everything's fine. No big issues. So can you see? Hopefully you can't see, because I will have to blur it then. I'll switch it off. That's why I didn't want to use the that's why I didn't want to use the NVMe, just to show you. But it is fine, so I'm happy to order the how you call it, the touch screen, yes, for the customer. And we will have one more episode on this about replacing the touch screen. I didn't replace in this model, I've replaced in the similar. We will see what is the difference in between that and this. Is it glued, you know, because I think it will be glued on the, I've got a glue, so it's not a problem. And now I'm happy that, you know, this is working. Yes, this only needed a reset and it's fine. So yeah, now I can get it back to the customer and I can make customer happy. So let's put this one back together. Now I don't like that this one is going off. So what we can do, because if this is going off, this might not be pressed from this side, okay? Like here. So then what we could do, we could use viscous paste, and I will see if I've got it here. Okay, or not. Do I or I don't? Nope, I think I was wrong. Let me check if I have it somewhere at hand. I'll pause it and I'll look for it. I'll show you what we can do. Guys, I can't find it. I'm moving the room, you know, and I literally can't find it. I had a viscous paste which I could just make a small dot and place it. That would hold, you know, that would hold. It would have good heat transfer, but I can't screw in this laptop. I need to find that one because I know it will help with the heat transfer, especially that here is a metal part as well. So it would be, you know, beneficial for the customer, and that's why I can't close it. And I want to close the video because that's about 7 minutes video, and I only wanted to show you that it is working and I can order the touchpad. And so only the reset by plugging off the battery was working fine and nothing wrong, so you wouldn't have much more of a value. That's why it's the second video at the same day. Yes, but anyways, you know, I need to find that one, and then I can put all the screws back and get this laptop back to the customer. Yes, so fingers crossed I can find it quite quickly, and then, you know, then do it. As it has a benefit for the customer, and I know it, I don't believe in it, I want to do it right. That's it, you know. Normally, yes, I could just put it back as the manufacturer designed it, forget about it, give it to the customer, and like whatever. Yes, but because I know it might benefit customer, let's finish this video. If possible, please do like and subscribe if you haven't already, and that's really helping this YouTube channel. I'm really trying to push as many videos as I can. Even you see going to this extent, like few minutes extra, I wouldn't have to do it. Yes, and I would just order that one, even delete this video, or even not doing the first video. But at least, you know, you see me when I'm struggling, you see me struggling, and you see what I'm doing when I'm struggling. Yes, so hi. But at the end of the day, thank you that you are here. Because of you, this YouTube can grow. Yes, I hope you've got some value. If possible, let's fix them all and see you sometime in the future. Bye bye.